Good evening. This is Shorty HVAC with your breaking news. Take it away, Billy Bob. Billy Bob. All right, Billy Bob, I'll handle it from here. Breaking news. Idiot and tries to install an air conditioner and it actually works. You gotta watch this. All right, what's going on, guys? Fix the hat like I always do. Shorty HVAC, Dylan Shortness, your boy. We started a full install today. Linux Pulse. Complete full install. New condenser, new evaporator coil, new furnace. We got the AC going. It's a Friday and we were done by 3 o'clock. So let's just start with that, okay? Got the AC going. The house is cooling down already. Reused the humidifier, which actually didn't give us any troubles at all, but you know, sometimes it will with that saddle valve. Anyways, got the AC going. A lot of this is just temporary, but most of it is permanent, and the unit's set. We have a filter taped on the side. We didn't build that return duct. The supply went right back on. Wait till you see how lucky we get with the supply plenum and the heights of our new furnace and our new coil. You just wait. Also, just to toot our own horns, I say our because I'm not doing these installs by myself, not every time. Most of the time I'm not. Tooting our horns because we did that. Because also this job site was 30 minutes away from the shop. We showed up to the job, we're able to get the AC going without leaving the job site. So you gotta love that. And shout out to the Bushy, comments on all my videos. I read every single comment. Sometimes I reply, sometimes I don't, but I read every single comment. Shout out to the Bushy. I got you with the time checks in this video. Wait for it. All right, guys. (8:30). Just got to the job. Big old poles. Protected for the day. We'll take it loose and just tape a filter on the side and get them some cooling for the weekend.
Look at that tasty stuff.
Wow, that just came out of that you dumped there? Or one of these hoses?
No, it's just that.
That exhaust, that muffler deal? Wow. Yeah, look. Oh, Lord. Okay, big job. We're gonna move those blocks so we can leave the humidifier right where it's at. Valves are inside the unit, I guess. Look at that thing. Settled quite a bit. Forgot to update the people. So as you notice, it's a little dark in here. Well, yeah, the furnace is wired into the lights. Love that. So we're getting that temporary situated. Well, I'm not doing anything, but he's getting that temporary situated. Turn the power back on so we can see. from the customer.
Thank you, thank you.
Uh-huh. Sweating already. Toasty. Pretty much set up out here. It's 9:30 right now. Perfect timing. Oh, is it? Okay, we're gonna drop the blocks and hopefully house doesn't fall down. Okay, you wanna pull these front ones out. I'll pry it up. From the back. Oh, yeah, stitches are right in there. Good.
20-inch here.
I'm gonna just get ready for it. I'll get under it, baby. Alright. New furnace down here. This one can sit here for a minute. I'm gonna set the unit, vibro pads swept up. That'll be a good placement for those. Okay. Dude, you cannot make this up. Inch fiber pads, 35 inches, 22 inches. Didn't have to cut that at all. Ducts perfectly level, everything right back in it. Are you kidding me? How does it? Oh my God, we're going home by lunch. What is this contraption? Oh, that's the old 1970s filter dryer. Wrap it on the outside, duct tape it on style. Okay, we're fit up. Got everything ready. Nitrogen, gotta hook that up. I'm gonna give you a little time check right now. Apple Watch is dead, but it still tells the time. 12:08. We got here at 8:30, so it's been 3.5 hours, and we decommissioned the old system. Decommissioned the old system, removed it, installed the new. High voltage is done, low voltage is done. Drain, we're about the temporary because I only brought one T. We need two. About to braze it up right now. It's 12:08, so. Okay. All right. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wet ragged everything. The rubber grommet for the suction line is under here. Rubber grommet's right there for the liquid line. I might cut it and put it in there later. We'll see how these braces go. Here we go. Turn it down a little bit. Okay, that's fine.
It sounded like that shit was screaming.
It'll like adjust itself. I've dropped that regulator too many times. Yeah, that's fine. That's what happens when you do an install every day. You'll get another one of those. I don't know why I brought the wrench actually. I didn't need the wrench. There's my extra stored upright. I need to get more of this shit and cover, but uh-oh, she's leaking. I already felt where it was. It was on the back side of this. Oh shit, you not. I have another leak. Smallest pinhole ever right here. Okay, we're good now. I'll obviously pick that up. Put these rubber grommets in correctly. Insulate the suction line. Those zip tied together will actually look pretty good after it has insulation. So, booyah. Okay, leak checked it. We're on the pump. This is what we got going on. Through the manifold, stole power from the whip. So we all know that the neutral and the grounds are bonded in there anyways. Works just fine. Locking it off from the doggies. And we're gonna go to the gas station, get a drink. It's about 1:30. I take that back, 1:15. Shit's deader than fuck, but 1:16, I wasn't lying. Okay, we're gonna take it off the pump. Peeling these rubbers off, so it's not just on the concrete. Okay, these are our pressures. They are definitely high on both sides a little bit, but it's really hot in the house, so it's gonna be okay. We're getting some insulation for that. This is temporary. We're gonna build metal for this. But to get them cooling for the day, we got that filter taped on it. We'll make a return drop. It's really loud right now because this is wide open. start raining. It is a little high, questionably overcharged. Temp split's about 18. I don't know, I'm happy with it for temporary. We will be back in 2 days. We'll check this charging in. It's gonna be a little bit cooler on Monday. Put the caps on. We're good to go for today. I'm gonna back the van up, as lazy as it seems, and we'll load all that. It's hot. All right, that's temporary. We'll come back with insulation on Monday. All right, we got them cooling for the night. Insulated, we'll come back with the right size next time. All right, guys, that does it for the video. If you liked it, hit the like button, hit that shit, and stop cussing. And if you guys aren't subscribed and you're at the end of the video, I can't believe you don't want to subscribe. And if you don't want to, I feel like you still should. Honestly, if you're at the end of the video this far into it, you're obligated to subscribe and ring the bell and hit the like button. All right, guys, on the next one, we'll get a video going this weekend. No plans so far, but that could change.